typical salesperson will sound like? There are two salespeople, okay? In every industry, every company, forget about the company, within you, there are two personalities. One is Joe and one is Mo. Joe is the average Joe. Mo is a sales champion. Okay, now let's see how these people will tackle any situation. Here's how Joe will sound like. Typically, let's take a banking example, okay? So since the majority banking example. So anybody would like to volunteer just a little bit? 2 minutes? Quickly. Okay, what's your name, sir? Abhi. Give him a round of applause. Is there a mic or something you give him? Is there a mic? Can you pass the mic please quickly?
Yes.
Oh, you have it? Wow. Wonderful. Abhi,
Yes.
now you'll be the banking expert.
Okay.
What do you do by the way?
I'm an intern.
Intern?
Yes.
Okay, so you started working with someone?
Yes, with Growth Leadership Academy actually.
Sorry, say that again.
With Growth Leadership Academy.
Oh, you're already with the team. Oh, wonderful. Round of applause for him. So, Abhi, you have to assume you're a client, okay? And I'm the salesperson. Okay, guys, this is not theory, by the way. This is practical, and you guys are doing this. I know it. 90% of you doing this. Okay, so Abhi, okay, I'm the client, and let's say you're calling me, okay? And you're interested in buying, let's say, what do you guys have to sell? Anything specific? What do you sell?
Televisions.
Training and development. Okay, let's say training development. Okay, let's say you want to develop leadership skills. Is that fair? Okay, let's say you want to, you are interested in learning leadership skills from our academy. Okay, Growth Leadership Academy. Okay, so now you're calling me. Okay, so hello, this is Dave here from Growth Leadership Academy. Who's this?
Hello, I'm Abhim Bhatrai.
जोर से बोलना पड़ेगा तुमको.
I'm Abhim Bhatrai.
Hi Abhim. Yes, tell me, how can I help you?
I wanted to learn leadership and development from your agency.
Oh, wonderful, Abhim. You are at the right place at the right time. You know what? We have some amazing offers going on. Right? So, we have option number A, which if you attend 30 days event, you will get this, and this, and you will become powerful leader. Okay? After that option, we have another option that you can have one-on-one mentoring and coaching. I'm sorry, I'm making it up, okay? We have one-on-one coaching and mentoring. For that, we have 70,000 rupees, or whatever, Nepali currency. Okay? And then we have 6 months program. We have best of the best coming in, and you will love it. How does that sound to you, Abhi?
That really sounds great.
Great. Are you ready to sign up with us?
Okay.
Oh, wow, what a customer. Sweet customer. Give him a round of applause. Okay, Abhi, let's do it again. Okay, let's do it again. One more time, okay? Now you're again calling me. Okay. Hello, this is Dave from Growth Leadership Academy. Who is this?
I'm Abhim Bhatrai speaking.
Yes, Abhi. How can we help you?
I really wanted to learn leadership skills from your agency.
That's interesting. May I ask you, why do you want to learn leadership skills?
Because I want to develop myself personally. So I could make my followers feel good about my leadership tactics and skills.
Okay. Have you done these kind of trainings before?
Yes, I have been involved in one of the trainings a few years back.
Okay. And what happened then? Why do you want to still learn? You've already learned it, right?
That was basically the emotional intelligence part.
Okay.
So I'd more like to learn on how to persuade my followers.
And why do you think we are the right agency to help you grow the leadership skills?
Basically, I've heard from many people that your agency has provided various kind of beneficial services to few of my friends as well.
Okay. So you're 100% satisfied with the feedback that they've given?
Not 100%, just 50% basically.
Okay. Well, what can we do to help you to take a decision then?
I would like to know more about your services.
Okay, great. So we have service A, service B, service 3. I'm really curious that assuming that you are able to learn the leadership skills, assuming that you're able to connect with people, what would that mean to you and your life?
When I'll be able to connect with people, I would like to become more friendlier with them, and I'd like them to like me. I wouldn't like them to hate me when I tell them to do something in a persuasive manner. I don't want to order anyone. I want them to believe about how I'm telling them to do anything.
Oh, that's good. So you want them to be your followers and they believe you rather than you convincing them. Is that what you
Definitely, that's the point.
Excellent. What if we can help you to do that? How would your life be if you become that great person where everybody comes to you, you don't have to go to them, they believe in whatever you say? How would your life be? Would it be different if you become that champion?
Life would definitely be different, but basically, I would also have to go to them to explain.
What if we can show you that people come to you, you don't even have to go to them? How would that be?
That would be kind of not that satisfying, I think.
It would be not. Oh, you're saying that you don't want clients to come to you, you want to go to them.
Basically, I want 50% of the clients to come to me, and I want to go to the other rest 50%.
Oh, okay. It's like somebody's coming and giving me $1 billion. Say, you know what? I only want to half. And I will run 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers to make half. Okay, well, you know what? Okay, let's give him a round of applause. You can have a seat. So, can you tell me what is the difference between the person A, which is when I was selling as a Joe, and when I was selling as a Mo? Everybody, you can yell out your answer quickly. Yes.
Trying to know, get information from the customers so that we can provide the best solution.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Give a round of applause. Next, quickly. वरना मुझे जाना पड़ेगा वापस. All right, who's not talking? Very rude, huh? You are so rude.
Joe was pushing the sale.
Huh?
Joe was pushing the sale.
Joe was pushing the sale. What's your name?
Sanjuli. Sanjuli.
Sanjuli. Give a round of applause to Sanjuli. What else? Okay, who's not spoken from here?
More dig out more from the client.
Yeah, Mo was digging more from the client. Okay, what else? Knowing exactly the client. What else? There was one big difference between both the styles.
Joe was salesperson and Mo was salesperson.
What's your name, sir? Shyam. Give Shyam a round of applause! And you give me a high five, Shyam. Awesome. So you see, there's a difference between Joe and Mo's style of selling. Joe was excited, enthusiastic, energetic. Yes, we have this. Aye. लीजिए. It's no different than selling groceries on the shop, on the roadside. And Mo was actually communicating and actually pushing it away. I was not selling basically. Who was selling who? First of all, when I said, why do you think we are the right people? Who's selling who now? He was selling that because I heard great things from your friend. As compared to Joe saying that, oh, we've done this, we have helped them, would you like to learn from us? How many can aha moment right now? Raise your hand, don't feel shy. No, I'm not going to ask you. Okay, make a note of it. The first formula to win in sales, the unconventional way of selling. If you just start doing this, you will have double the sales that you're doing right now. Okay, that's number one. Let's go to number two. Number two is let's do a quick analysis here, right? So number two is what do I mean no? Okay, all right. Now let's take an example. Okay, there's a first Joe. Client calls in, or you walk in. The client says, "Can you do this? Yes, sir, we can do this. Can you provide these rates? Yes, sir, I will find that for you. Have you done this? Absolutely, sir. We are the best in the world. We are the world famous in Nagaland or Nepal, whatever you want to call it. All right." That's the typical person of saying yes. A typical salesperson will say yes to everything the customer has to say. And here's what the smart salespeople like Mo, they would say. He would say, you know what? No false commitment is one, very good. Your ability to say no to a sale or a client decides how successful you will be. Write this down. This is a Guru Mantra. This is a Guru Mantra, okay? These are the golden words that can change your life. I what's happening? You got this computer chip in your brains. Guaranteed after 24 hours you'll forget 90% of what I'm saying. You just see me as somebody with good suit, that's it. You'll remember that's all. Okay. So your ability to say no to a deal or a client decides how successful you will be and how powerful you will be in business. Now, a lot of people I know, I can sense it, I can feel it, are confused. Like you're saying there that if somebody comes to me, I say, no, we cannot sell you. No, I'm not saying that. Okay? Sorry. So what do I mean by that? Oh, let me check the time. I'm on time. Absolutely. So what do I mean by saying no? When you are in a conversation with a client, okay, and let's take from the example that we left, okay, if I go into the place and I go in deep and deep and deep, and I realize the person is not really committed in learning anything from Growth Leadership Academy, it is my duty, my obligation, my responsibility to say, I don't think you're ready yet. But how many salespeople actually do that? कस्टमर चेक दे रहा है और अरे आ जाओ हम सिखा देंगे आपको सिखा देंगे आओ तो सही देखो तो सही क्या है मेरे पास. That's a typical Joe mindset. Moment you say, I don't think you're ready yet, what is going to happen in customer's mind now? Now what you're learning right now is very deep, okay? It's a consumer behavior and how the buyers think, right? Would you agree if I say that if you do things the way you have been doing, you will get the same results as you've been getting? Is it fair to say? Yes? Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Time balance मेरे को low ज़्यादा लग रहा है. Is it yes? Yes, it's absolutely true. If you want new results, like if I have to go to, if I want great body, 6-pack, can I just live the way I'm living to have 6 packs? No. I got to have better diet. I go to work out every day. Right? We went to that stupa yesterday, and they go yesterday. I said, why these guys are running and doing this? Oh, they're preparing for army. Do you think they will get into army the way they've been living? No. You got to do something different. Now, what you're doing right now, what you're learning right now, is the different way. If you want 5x income,